Never hold in a sneeze, here's why. Holding in a sneeze can explode your throat. I'm not kidding. One guy tried it. His throat tore open. Doctors could hear air bubbles in his neck. You could rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels, or worse, blow out an eyeball. Yeah, a guy in China almost lost vision doing this. That sneeze pressure? It's like firing a bullet at 100 miles per hour. And no, pinching your nose doesn't make it cute, it makes it deadly. Imagine dying because you didn't want to sneeze in a meeting. Comment bless you if you've ever risked your life like this. Your sneeze can fly up to 26 feet, so yeah, don't hold it in, but maybe don't aim it at people either.